can't focus on what needs to get done. I'm on notice, hoping that you don't run. You think I'm tepid, but I'm misdiagnosed. Cause I'm a stalker, I've seen all of your posts.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica and today's video is going to be on this drugstore back to school makeup look. I wanted to do something simple but still extra enough for the first day back, so if you want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. First, I'm filling in my brows.
I can't focus on what needs to get done. I'm on notice, hoping that you don't run. You think I'm tepid, but I'm misdiagnosed. Cause I'm a stalker, I've seen all of your posts.
Since it's still summer and we're being extra for the first day, I'm adding a pop of color on the eyes. I know ColourPop isn't technically drugstore, but I think the price point is pretty similar to drugstore products.
You make it difficult to not overthink. And when I'm with you, I turn all shades of pink.
Next, I'm drawing out a soft wing with a dark brown shadow.
It's such a rush, I'm thinking wish you were here. And I'm just trying to play it cool now.
To help shape and intensify the wing, I'm using the same brow pencil from earlier.
And I'm not trying to be with you now, But I could be a crush, I could feel you for a rush, like hoping you text me so I could tell you I've been thinking.
I'm curling my lashes and applying mascara. I'm gonna apply falsies next. These are very natural and have a thin lash band, so you'll look cute, but not like you're trying too hard. You can also skip this step, of course, but I just love falsies. They're my favorite step in the makeup process. I'm now curling the lashes together. Moving on to the face, I'm first priming. Next, I'm concealing using a mixture of concealer and foundation.
But I took an interest in the things that you like. And I'm just trying to play it cool now. But that's not what I wanna do now. And I'm not trying to be with you now,
I'm setting the areas I concealed with loose powder. Going back to the eyes, I'm gonna extend the bottom lash line. This makes the eyes look bigger and more dolly. I'm applying mascara to my bottom lashes.
I'm a little bit intense, right? But can you blame me when you keep me on the fence like?
Using the NYX face sculpting palette, I'm gonna contour. I'd recommend using a larger brush with this palette to blend it in better.
And yeah, it's true that I'm a little bit intense, right? But can you blame me when you keep me on the fence like? And I've been waiting, hoping that you'd wanna text like, ugh. And I'm just trying to play it cool now. But that's not what I wanna do now. And I'm not trying to be with you now.
Using the same palette, I'm gonna highlight.
But I could be a crush, I could feel you for a rush, like hoping you text me so I could tell you I've been thinking about your touch, like touch. I could be a crush. I got a fascination.
To get a cute sun-kissed effect, I'm applying a peachy orange blush over my cheeks and nose. I don't usually do this, but because I made a slight mistake on the contour, I'm gonna bake underneath it. Next, I'm gonna show you a lip hack I do on my no makeup days. So first, I line my lips to get the shape I want. And then I use a makeup wipe to remove it.
But I could be a crush, I could feel you for a rush, like hoping you text me so I could tell you I've been.
This makes your lips look bigger without actually wearing any lip product. For the sake of this video though, I am going to apply lip liner.
I got a fascination with your presentation, making me feel like you're on my island.
In the center, I'm using a pink lipstick. To make it look more natural, I'm lightening the edges with concealer.
I'm a little bit intense, right? But can you blame me when you keep me on the fence like? And I've been waiting, hoping that you'd wanna text like.
Finally, I'm gonna wipe away the bake.
And yeah, it's true that I'm a little.
And this is the completed look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you liked me, remember to follow me on all of my social media, which will be linked in the description box down below. And I will see you in my next video.
And I'm just trying to play it cool now, but that's not what I wanna do now. And I'm not trying to be with you now, you know. You make it difficult to not overthink. And when I'm with you, I turn all shades of pink. I wanna touch you, but don't wanna be weird.